Hi, this is Yellow Stitch, and recently Olympus released software that could turn their Olympus cameras into a webcam, but not all of their Olympus cameras are supported by this software, especially the old ones like OMD EM-10 Mark 10. That's why in this video, I will make a tutorial on how to make the OMD EM-10 Mark 2 turn into a webcam with the help of an affordable capture card. Okay, to make this work, we need this cheap video capture card and our Olympus OMD EM-10 Mark II camera, a USB cable, and an HDMI to micro HDMI cable. Okay, and to connect this one, we need to connect the micro HDMI to our camera. Okay. Then our HDMI to the input of this capture card. Okay. And this USB cable will be connected to this HDMI capture card. So the micro HDMI to the input of video capture device, and the USB cable to the computer. Okay, before we connect our camera and capture card to our computer, we need to edit some camera settings. We don't need to edit most of the camera settings because the capture card is just capturing whatever shown in your camera screen and displaying it in our computer. Okay, the settings that I will show you are the settings that work for me, and these settings give me a clean screen during my live stream. But if you want to change the settings or you want to experiment, you can do it as well. So my camera is on aperture priority mode. And first I go to menu, and from the custom menu D, I go to display grid and turn it off. Okay. Then exit. And from the home screen of your camera, click OK. And these options will show up. And from here, we change the autofocus area. Click OK. Press info. Then select the all target. Okay. Then the next one is our autofocus mode. For me, I use this continuous autofocus mode. Okay. Then the next one is the face priority. I turn it off. Okay. Because if it's turned on, whenever the camera focuses on you, the face tracking icon will show up on your screen. And sometimes it's annoying. That's why it's better to turn it off. Okay. And most of us are using tripod when we are using our camera as webcam, so we have to turn the image stabilizer off. So for me, it's already turned off. Okay, so that's basically it. And to remove all the options from the screen of your camera so that it will not show up in your computer screen, you have to press the info button on your camera for about 3 seconds. Okay, so that's it. Your screen is clean and you're ready to stream. Okay, after connecting the USB cable from the capture card to your computer, You can now open OBS. And from the OBS, add new source, add video capture device. I will rename it as Olympus Webcam. Okay, and from here, from the device, choose USB video. And now you can see the Olympus camera starting to work as webcam. And this capture card has a maximum capture of 1080p at 30 FPS. So from here, from the resolution, I will put it as custom. I will choose 1080p at 30 frames. And in the video format, I use MJPEG, 709 color space, and full color range. And from here, you can configure the video brightness, contrast, hue, and saturation. But for the purpose of demonstration and this tutorial, I will just leave it default. Okay, then click OK. Now you can see it working. And if you see that it is out of focus, you can just half press the shutter button. Then it will focus by itself. Okay. Okay. As you can see, even if I resize it, there is a black bar from the left and the right. So if you want to remove it, just right click, go to transform, edit, and copy this crop settings. Okay. Then the black bars are gone. Then you can resize it on the size that you need from your live stream. Okay. Now you can see the Olympus camera's webcam. Okay, if you want to add additional background on your live stream and you have a green screen just like the one behind me, I will show you how to do it here. Okay, go to add source, choose image. I will rename this one as background. Okay, and choose whatever image you want to use as your background. For me, I will use this one. Click OK, and from here, click the image, go to transform and stretch the screen. Okay, then put it behind your webcam. Okay, but as you can see, there is still a green screen behind me, and to remove that one, you go here from the cog settings on your webcam, click the filters, and from the effect filters, click add, then choose chroma key. Okay, and from here you can see that the green background was already removed from the default settings. But if there are still green color or settings are not good, you can change it manually. Okay, but the default setting is enough for me. And now you can resize it for your live stream. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is the end of this video and I hope I was able to help you with this tutorial. If you have any questions, write it in the comment below. And for more videos, please subscribe. Peace.